How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. I know it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I've uploaded a video, but a lot of stuff has been going on. Weather's been crazy too. Been busy with work and everything. So happy New Year. I know it's already like a month or something past New Year's, but we're out today. We're in Liebre Gulch Davis Ranch, I believe it's called. It's a little trail right here, kind of east of Gorman, the Gorman area, usually where I come out. But something small. I have Ruby and Kylo. They are over there somewhere. He's using the restroom. But yeah, something small. That way we could get out. We wanted to go hit a trail, hit up a different spot that we haven't been to before. I don't think it's gonna be nothing too crazy. Obviously nothing too technical. It's just us out here. So yeah, and then we're probably going to try to find a spot for hiking, and we're going to throw the drone up and things like that. I got a co-pilot with me, of course. Like I said, Ruby's here, so hopefully she could get the drone up and flying. And then obviously it's Kylo. Yeah, he's excited to be out. So yeah, we're gonna hit a trail right now. We're gonna be going through these mountains, probably scope out some campsites, so different spots that we could come back up here and enjoy. The reason why I do like coming to these places is because it's only 30-40 minutes away from where we live, so not a lot of planning has to go into it, as far as, you know, we got to make a long road trip or anything like that, even though I would like to, you know, with more people. But at the end of the day, when it's just us and we're just trying to find spots just to get out and just to go and enjoy nature, not sitting around the house or anything like that, which we love to do, obviously, couch potatoes and watch movies and things like that. But from time to time we love to come out. So enough of the rambling. Thank you guys for coming back. We are almost at 50 subscribers, which is actually pretty cool. So if you're not subscribed and you like this content, or maybe if I say it later on, go ahead and subscribe, like it, and thank you again for coming along on the ride. Ready?
Yes.
She's ready. All right, here we go. Buddy, he's like, where's the hike at? I thought I was gonna be walking.
He's like, hell nah.
Ruby was like, oh, you tricked us. You said we were going hiking, but all I see is off-roading trails. I'm like, yeah, you gotta go off-road to find the good trails, you know, the hiking trails. So yeah, so hopefully we were able to get some type of drone shots there in the beginning. I mean, a couple of them look good. Had Ruby driving for it a little bit while I was trying to navigate the drone above, but yeah, I think it was the last two videos that I didn't use the drone, mainly because, I mean, we have the DJI Mini Pro 3, and for some reason I haven't been able to do the auto tracking when it and have it focus. I've said it in the last one of the last videos that I brought out the drone is, I mean, there's no point of auto tracking without focus if the video is not going to look good, you know. And I mean, the reason, again, like I said, we got the Mini Pro 3 is because it had the auto tracking. So I got to figure that out. But for the time being, flying the drone around manually, and obviously driving. And I've seen and I've watched, and I'm pretty sure you guys, if you're watching me, you've seen their videos too, where these YouTubers, they're flying the drone as they're driving. And honestly, I don't know how they do it. I mean, like, it just, for me, being a new concept and flying a drone and driving and still trying to figure out how to navigate the controls on the drone, it just kind of like triples the time on the road. So even though it's cool to learn and all that stuff, when you're trying to enjoy driving on the trail, it kind of takes away from the enjoyment. But it's going to be a skill that I am going to have to learn, because Ruby's not always with me when I go off-roading. Sometimes it's just me, sometimes it's friends, but obviously I'm going to be the only one in the truck. The truck can't drive itself. The drone's supposed to be flying itself, but you know, it is what it is. So something I gotta learn, because it's nice. And like I said, you guys seen those YouTube videos where they're more cinematic shots and things like that. But yeah, the road is good so far. Honestly, this is not technical, but there are some parts in the beginning that like I had to take over for driving, because we got to a certain point where the truck needed some articulation, and since I was trying to get a shot of it and all that stuff, and then Ruby is first time driving the Tacoma off-road, so it was just one of those spots that I had to take over. And then yeah, but that was just the entrance. Right now it's just basic road. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't take us too long to get to that lookout point, because I really want to get there and then fly the drone around a little bit more, and then try to find a trail to go hiking on to get Kylo back here some exercise. He's been off-roading before as a puppy, and he's still a puppy, but he does good on the roads and on road trips. So yeah, but all right, back to the road.
Might as well take me on Six Flags like this. Oh my god.
We're close to that offshoot. Yeah, I feel like if we did have like another, more like 3 hours, we probably would have.
It is both of our faults. I did though like camping, waking up, and then the idea of going off-roading. I did like that.
So I don't even want to say we hit the halfway point, because I don't even know how far we've gone, and I know we have a lot more left to go. But Kylo, yeah, that little guy, had a little bit of an accident. First time he's thrown up in the car. So luckily we had some stuff like blankets and stuff laying down, so didn't really get on the seats or anything like that. But yeah, decided to pull off right here and let this little guy walk around a little bit, get his land legs back, and then continue on with the trail. So far this trail is not bad. But you could tell with a lot of the rain and all that stuff that just went by in that storm, there's a lot of deep ruts and stuff like that. So got to be really careful, you know, obviously. But nothing too major. I didn't even air down the tires, so we're doing pretty good so far. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna get all the way to the lookout because it is getting pretty dark. We started late like we always do. It was more of a spontaneous thing like we always end up doing. So we might just get to another trail that goes towards one of the freeways and then head out from there, because we got like another 40 minutes of daylight left. And yeah, I don't want to be driving out here, especially since I've never driven out here, so I don't want to be really driving out here at night. And like I said, it's our first time coming out here, which I really like. I really do want to get through the whole loop. But yeah, just for now, we're gonna probably continue on here and then take a different route. Actually had to have Ruby get out and spot me for one of these spots, which was her first time spotting. So, and that's how you know some of these spots are a little sketchy, because if I had to have a spotter come out, and that spotter being Ruby, who never spotted. So yeah, fun. But yeah, Carlo's enjoying himself now. I think he wants to get back on the road. But yeah, first time for him throwing up in the truck. You could tell he felt bad. His face said it all. But Ruby's laughing at me right now.
Yeah, because he threw up and I feel bad. Because then he's making us go home. And I know he's still going to go off-roading. So it's like...
having a good time. Let's get back on this road and continue before we get... I think there's also a flood watch warning that they actually just sent out too. So seeing how these roads or this trail is right now after the rain, yeah, I don't want to be caught in the rain. So here we go, we're heading out. My plan B did not work because we pulled up to the trail that goes towards the freeway and it's all gone. So probably gonna have to go through the full trail and then get out the other way. But yeah, so can't go through that unless I can. Nah, I can't go through that. All right, we'll figure out another way. Well, I found an alternative route, so hopefully it's not the same as this other one where we get there and then there's a landslide, but I doubt it. But like I said, the rain that just went through this area did a good number on the road, which makes it a lot of fun and a little bit sketchy.
Yeah, pretty sketchy, honestly.
But yeah, so got about another 30 minutes until the light goes out, or the light goes out until the sun goes down. But we'll make it. We'll make it.
As we go higher. Kylo, you hear trick Mexicans. He made my breakfast.
So unfortunately, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We did not make it through the whole trail, but that's what happens when you go on a trail that you don't know that much, or a new trail, and go later in the day. So hopefully next time we come, we could make it back up here where we kind of know the route and everything like that. Also, where we exited, that's another entrance to go up that way. So if we want to do a shorter route but actually go further, next time we could do that with also camping up there. So I appreciate you guys sticking along with us throughout this video. Unfortunately, we weren't able to go hiking or anything like that. We were able to go walk around a little bit, but I was trying to find the hiking trail that was supposed to be on that trail. So Ruby thought I was kind of lying, saying that there was a hiking trail when there wasn't, just to go off-roading. But we didn't do that. I really tried. But again, guys, thank you for sticking along with us during this ride. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, guys. And I appreciate everyone that's already subscribed so far. And also in the comment section, as I said previously in other videos, let me know what trails you guys recommend in California, Southern California, Central California, or you know, any trails you guys recommend. That way I could go hit them up. A lot of these trails I find on Onyx, and that's how obviously everyone kind of knows what Onyx is. That's how I find these trails, and then we just go out and hit them. So any recommendations, feel free to drop them down in the comment section. I appreciate you guys coming along with us, and I'll see you guys on the next trail.